Hello, do you know anything about PVC doors? So we had these doors put in, which are very nice, and this has just happened. This pin has just literally, it's just popped out. I was just walking from the garden. Oh, there goes, oh no, there goes my Allen key set. I've smashed it. Anyway, one problem at a time. And the pin has just spontaneously given up and just popped out. I think my PVC doors had a hernia. If you know anything about why that might have happened, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you, but it's just literally spontaneously plopped out. I'm now going to try and get it back in. I'm hoping that it's just an Allen key screw job. So let's do that. It seems to be going down. Let me show you. I say that a lot on this channel, don't I? Let me show you. So it seems to have gone down a bit, I hope. I hope I'm not imagining it. So if I just keep turning it, I'll speed this bit up. It is difficult doing it with one hand, and it's getting a lot harder now. Oh, this is really hard. Keep going. I need to put the phone down again because I need both hands for this. Okay, I wonder if it is this one. I wonder if that screw there, if I turn that Allen key, I wonder if this will push this out this way, which means it can lock. Let's give it a go. So take this off, try not to lose it. And inside, I need to turn the camera upside down. Let's poke the camera inside, see what I'm dealing with. Looks like another Allen key job. Okay, here goes with the same Allen key. Oh yeah, it's moving, look. It's a really small amount. I'll do it by a lot, then maybe we'll push it into place. I'm worried I'm going to wreck the door now. Okay, well that's really pushed it over. Oh no, I can't get it back. Can I get it back? Yeah, I can get it back. Okay, so let's try the top one now. Yes, oh, I think that went down a bit. Now it's popping up and down. I can't tell you how difficult this is doing this one-handed while I'm holding the phone. Do you know what I want to do? I want to get a hammer and just bang it down. Should I? Can't be doing any less uselessness than this, can it? That's absolutely not doing anything at all. I better tighten this up. Unfortunately, it's not working. It's just turning on the spot. Look, when I turn the Allen key, it's just spinning and spinning. So for whatever reason, it's not, I guess it's not biting into there. But I don't know, I can't really adjust anything for it to bite because it's kind of locked in place on the two other hinges. So again, if you have any ideas or thoughts about what I'm doing wrong, then, you know, holler away. I'd love to hear from you. I think, unfortunately, I'm calling this a Dad Delivers fail. I had to make a new graphic to make that happen. That was the new thing we tried today. It didn't work out. So hopefully we'll have a good one on the next video that will be a success. But thanks for any tips in the meantime.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click in his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?